Hi, it's Melissa Thomas again, and I'm here to talk a little bit about evaluating the syllabus. So, in the book, there are two places where you can see evaluation points. There's a syllabus checklist that's on page 111. That's a brief checklist to see, do you have these components? And those are the core components that I talked about earlier. And then on page 112, you'll see the syllabus rubric. So this is a more extensive opportunity to go through and measure your syllabus. And we're also providing you that opportunity here in the course. So each of the components is either missing or present or exceptional. Now, a few of them are not necessarily eligible for exceptional credit. And so I'm going to show you on the screen. Let me go ahead and share my screen. So here you'll see this is the syllabus rubric, and I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit larger just so that it's easy to see. So for instance, you either have the course name or you don't, and number. There's no exceptional way to do that. Maybe it's, emblazoned in something, but you either have it or you don't. Same with the location and the meeting dates and times. But the textbook, do you have the textbook and supplemental reading information there? Or have you done something like including a photo of the textbook cover, a link to purchasing information? Have you gone basically the extra mile on that? In terms of learning outcomes, you have them or you don't, or have you gone through and used action verbs, stated them in clear outcomes? Maybe you've used some student-friendly language, like what are you able to do as a result of taking this course, right? Same with the calendar of activities. You have it or you don't. And have you made it really clear to students what they're doing before, during, and after class? So sequencing those learning activities and then aligning those to the outcomes and assessments. And you can see as we go through, we talk about the welcome statement, the teaching philosophy, tips for success, campus resources, talking about various levels of learning, right? So are you aligning things to Bloom's or Fink's taxonomy? Are you using action verbs for your outcomes? Is there an emphasis on learning, assignment information, rationales for assignment? Is it a formative or summative assessment? And are you including several formative assessments for every summative assessment? So that's important. So as you look through this rubric, you'll be actually grading your own, but we also find that this is an task that's interesting to do with peers. You could do like round robin and you could look at someone else's syllabus. And then I think you'll have a really good idea of how yours measures up as well by doing that. So then you're able to go through and take a look at some of the essential elements. Do you have content flow? Are there headings? Is it easy to see, like you're using a table of contents for that organization? Can students actually navigate what they need to do in order to learn? Does it use positive and personal language like I and you statements? These are all pieces that we would want to see as you go through and evaluate your syllabus. So take a crack at it, see what happens, and please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much and good luck.